Hi, I'm Dan Watkins with All Four Seasons Garage and Entry Doors. And today what I want to talk about is not getting ripped off on your next garage door repair. Many people think they're getting ripped off when somebody buys them a new garage door, or they don't need a new garage door and they're just selling them the door. But really, in the garage door industry, that actually gets flipped the other way. There's many companies out there, they don't have an interest in selling you a new door. They want to rip you off by selling you all new hardware on all of your doors. So think about the next time they come in, you may have something wrong with your door, but once you start putting all of your hardware getting replaced, we could pretty much get a new door for that same price. It might be $1,500, $2,000. It doesn't make sense to not put that towards a new door, because with a new door, you're gonna get energy efficiency, you're gonna get the looks, you're gonna get all that hardware, okay? On the other side, listen, rollers break, springs definitely break, and you cannot run your door without springs. But let's say you get the springs break, you need new rollers, and you really do need those things. Let's think about a new door. There's things like cables that get frayed, hinges that get bad, all types of different pieces that go one at a time, pulleys, you name it. But when somebody's trying to sell you everything new inside that garage, it's time for a new door. They're either trying to rip you off, and you might not need a lot of these things, or maybe you really do need these things, but it's time for a new door. But I'll tell you what, if you call us at All Four Seasons Garage Doors, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna give you an honest opinion. If you need a new door, we're happy to sell you the new door. If you just need a repair, we're gonna repair your garage door. Again, Dan Watkins, All Four Seasons Garage Doors. Give us a call today.